Welcome back to Mrs. Y's H Journey, and again, it's Mr. Y here, unboxing another Rolex, of course. Apparently, I guess I'll be doing the Rolex unboxing here. So let me just talk to you about this particular Rolex. Okay, so I've actually placed this watch in on a Monday. I requested officially, and my SA contacted me on a Saturday saying that she is working on getting this watch for me. And then she confirmed it the following Tuesday. So basically 8 days, she was able to secure this watch for me. And then I was busy, so I requested to go in on a weekend to pick this up. This time she wrapped it up very nicely with the lovely Rolex ribbon on it with holiday wrapping, I guess. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, a little disclaimer. This is purchased in 2021. This video may be released in 2022, but it was purchased in 2021. Love the ribbon here. Wow, this is interesting. Ribbon on top of ribbon? Okay. So there's a nice Rolex ribbon. Okay. All right, let's go do this. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. All right, let's get to the unboxing and wrapping here. All right, so last time I got myself the GMT Master 2, and I was actually wearing this watch to purchase this watch. Highly recommend if you go to start building your relationship with your local AD, authorized dealer, you should always wear your latest watch. Now that's just my thing. I just want to prove to my SA that I do wear my watch. I'm not a reseller. So then rest assured, that's why you get these when you request. So I requested this watch. Let's unbox it. Classic Rolex box with a protector. Let's go ahead and slide this out a little bit. Okay, so ready for the unboxing? 1, 2, 3. This is a date just, so you can see the date. This is a 41mm. Here's the instruction or the manual, okay? The manual here. Okay, so the warranty. And I am going to show you the authenticity card, and it shows when it was purchased. And I am blocking the serial number because I don't want anyone to see that. So for those who other YouTuber who unbox these, you should definitely block your model number as well as your serial number here. But let's take a look at this beauty. All right, so let me go ahead and open this up. All right, so I usually don't wear it on this side, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna show it to you. All right, so let me just go ahead and talk about pricing here a little bit. This is a classic watch for sure. Okay, so the model number I will not give you the serial number because the serial number is private. The model is M126300, and this is, the price is, keep in mind, 2021 pricing is $7,650, and by the time this video is released, it might be new pricing for 2022. Depending where you live, of course, in the US, you have to pay for tax, okay? So, again, depending on where you live. But yeah, the original price or the listed price here is $7,650 for this Datejust. All right, so super lucky to actually get another offer within the same year for this Datejust. All right. And specifically wanted a Datejust that it's more simple, so I don't have the classic bezel. Don't want anything inside there with diamond, but I hope you can pick up those numbers here around, which is really, really cool. For a daily wear, I think this is a great piece, especially for younger folks. Maybe this is a good transition piece for a sport watch instead of a sport watch, okay, that I'm wearing right now. It's probably, this is a good alternative. And of course, I think, you know, building your relationship with your SA in the authorized dealer is super important. And sometimes they think, you know, a lot of people think, oh, if I buy a Datejust, they will offer me a sport watch. That is not entirely true. I think your excitement for the brand has to appear to them. Your knowledge about their watches, how you are going to wear it, what kind of function you're looking into, especially the sport watch. If you can tell them what you really use it for. I use the 2 time zone on this watch, so they really appreciate that, and that's how I kind of was offered this watch. Keep in mind they do need to kind of request this, you know, any watch on your behalf. They do need to write a report, and that report, you know, if the SA, your sales associate, can actually get a little bit more personal, then the manager may actually approve that for you. So it's also subject to where you live. Right now, it's super hard in any location to get any offer, even just a Datejust. It's hard. Or, you know, don't even talk about the sport watch, right? The sport model. And I heard now some of the boutique, and now I don't know if it's actually good. It's kind of sketchy in my opinion. I heard that they, if you want a Datejust, something like this, they're asking for a 50% deposit in order to guarantee you the watch. But for this particular location, I requested, you know, on a Monday. She replied me on a Saturday that she's working on it, and then the following Tuesday she said, I secured the watch for you without any percent, you know, without any down payment. Okay, and I even scheduled it to pick this watch up on a Sunday. So, to be honest, you know, if you have a good relationship with your SA, and I'm going to continue to build my relationship with my SA here at the Rolex, once you have a good salesperson, they will definitely help you out to get your desired watch. So you do need to just be patient. And of course, I will be sharing with you, because I've requested other sport watch that I'm eyeing on. So you will find out more on this channel. So please go ahead and feel free to subscribe my X Journey. And don't forget to give a thumbs up by hitting the like button below. And I know some of you guys are just a watch fan, and Mrs. Y do a lot of luxury handbag unboxing. So If those are the things that are not your favorite, don't unsubscribe to her channel, but because she invited me to talk about the Rolex here, so please be patient. If you see green box and green bags on her thumbnail, we are talking about Rolex. So another thing that I've actually requested this time around was the catalog. So this is the 2021 to 2022 catalog. And notice that they don't talk about pricing. Let's just go through. Oh, wow, look at this. The Sky Dweller, which is actually one of the watch that I requested. And of course, this is super hard to get. All right, so the Sky Dweller here, I requested the Oyster, but not in the white, but of course in the blue, okay, stainless steel. This is actually white gold. But yeah, super hard to get. But of course, if you subscribe to this channel, I will try to give you some tips as I am learning and making my relationship with the authorized dealer at the same time with this particular SA. Now, I have to say that this SA had worked with Rolex for over 15 years, so she is very experienced. She knows her ins and outs, and she does give me tips in terms of how to score these watch. So I know that I will be getting my dream watch as well. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for our next video. And hopefully next year, we will talk more about Rolex. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next video.